Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to add the product to your wishlist on the Gomez application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the app on your phone. Then you should tap on the shop button down below and select the product that you would like to add to your wish list. So tap on it and then click on this star icon down below in the right side of the screen. Select your size, and as you can see, the article has been added to your wish list. Go back to the previous page, so tap on this X icon in the upper left corner, then click on the star icon wish list down below, which is the fourth option, and here you can see all of the items added to this list. If you want to delete it, tap on this bin icon in the right side of the screen, and as you can see, the article has been removed from your wish list. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.